Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about statistics and most of the things of this chapter you did in previous class. Here some generalized concept is there. So let's start without wasting the time. So first I recall the previous thing. Recall the previous thing which is thing we did in previous class. So if I eh, define the all types of and everyone know statistics is the way of represent the data in more generalized way. Okay, so in previous class we know in which way we represent the data. Okay, so here first I recall that thing, and I will recall here by making one chart so that it will be more stable, it will more stable on your mind. And one thing, if you read something by a chart, then I think it will be better. Okay, so statistics. So we represent that the data in two ways. Generally, in two ways. One is by and another is by graphical, or by picture. So pictures. So here by table we know we did frequency distribution table, frequency distribution distribution table, and another one is group frequency distribution table, group frequency distribution table, and in class 9 also in 14.2 frequency distribution table and group frequency distribution tables are there. Okay, and we have completed that one. Okay, now by picture, if we want to represent the data by picture, then which will come. So first one is pictograph graph. Which one you did in class 3, 4, 5? Okay, next in bar graph, then histogram, histogram. Next, next is line graph, line graph. Sorry. Next is after line graph pie chart. Sorry, and in bar graph, double bar graph also came. So pie chart, and here one new term is there, frequency polygon. See, polygon. Okay, so here we will learn about learn more about bar graph, histogram, and frequency polygon. It is uh, quite similar to line graph, frequency polygon. Okay, one by one I will discuss. In first video I will discuss bar graph. In second video we will discuss. I will discuss histogram. In third video I will discuss frequency polygon. Now in previous class, what we did, the length of the bar graph or length or width of the bar graph, not bar graph, bar are equal. That means uniform. So till now we have learned when the width of the bars are equal, then how to draw a bar graph or histogram or frequency polygon. Uh, uh, Not frequency polygon, bar graph or histogram. Here one generalized thing is, or new concept is, when the weight of the bars are not uniform, that is not equal, then how to represent the data. Okay, so this concept is new in class 9. Okay, So let's come. So today's topic is bar graph, and it is similar to previous. Okay. So one. So we will today I will discuss about bar graph, and it is similar to previous class. Okay. So I will discuss from your book. I think no need to explain what is data. Oh, in previous Google Meet class, I've explained what is data, what is arranged data, what is raw data. I think these terms are uh, familiar with you because in previous class also we we learned all of these terms. Okay, so next, so word graph is given in 14.2, 14.3. Okay, so in 14.3, one numbers are given graphically. Foundation occurs in two numbers. And okay, so here question number 1, 2, 3 are based on bar graph. Okay, so I will discuss one among three, among question number 1, 2, 3. So 3 number question is given below are the seats owned by different political parties in the polling outcomes of a state assembly election. Okay, so here given political parties. A owns how many seats? 75. A 75, B 55, C 37, D 29, and E 10, and F 37. So everyone know how to draw the bar graph. So first we need to draw one rectangular axis, or the first quadrant of coordinate axis. So it is OX, and it is OX, OY. Okay. So if you draw in bar graph, then two types of bar graph are there: one centimeter graph and one inch graph. Inch graph. Okay. Both are similar. Only when we will take the scales, that scales you need to take properly. So here highest value is 75. Okay, so 75. 75 is the highest value. Okay, so we need to define y-axis up to more than 75. So then 75 will come in y-axis. So in this direction we take the number of seats, number of seat seats, and in this direction political party, political party party. Okay, so in graph paper, in this way: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so in graph paper this type of small tail line is written, and this type of, and 1 centimeter, that means the deep line, that means 10 very small lines are there, 10 division. So 10 division make 1 centimeter. So if it is in your graph 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 7, 8, 9. So here I will adjust the value 75 in 9 division. Okay. So if I take for one division 10 value, then we get for 8 division there is value 8 division equal to 80. So what is the scale here? So the scale is along along y axis y axis take we take we take 1 centimeter block equal to 10 seats. Okay, so it is 10, 20, 30 in this way. Okay, or you can write here 10, 20, right? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay, so in this way we can take the bar and differ the gap between two bar is uniform. That means gap between two bar is equal. And here the political parties are A, B, C, D. We can define A, B, C, D with equal the weight of the bars which represent the political party A, B, C, D, E are equal. So in case of bar graph, there the concept is same. But when we will learn histogram in class 9, that time the length of the bar may differ. But in case of bar graph, it is uniform. So there is no problem in case of bar graph. Okay. So what is the question? The question is political party A. The value is 75. So for the first party is A and the value is 75. I am searching one scale, but where is my scale? I don't know. Okay. So for first political party A, the length of the bar is 75. So here 70 and here there are 10 division in your graph paper. So go 5 division. 2, 3, 4, 5. So like this. So if I draw here, take, okay, this is the bar for the political party A. And why I take third example? Because in first and second example there are here the items given here or the terms given here is more. So I need here more space. So but here not possible. If I writing by pen, then it is okay, but in board not possible. That's why I take the A, B, C, D, so that I can write and each value will come along with the bar. Okay, and second value is political party B is 55. So here 50 after 5, that midpoint of this. So 55, 55 like this. So if I take the wide of the bar 1.5 centimeter or 2 centimeter or 1 centimeter as your wish. So each bar you will take with the same length. Here it is centimeter graph. It is centimeter graph. So in this way given, and there are 10 division, small division, 10 small divisions. Okay. So if it is 1 centimeters, then it is your choice in which way. What is the length of the bar? Okay. Now what is the width of the bar? Not length. Length is given along y-axis. Okay. Next is for political party B, the value is 55. So 50 where here. So it is political party B, and it is not necessary to set draw these types, you can define in your way. We will give here uh, join. Okay, so it is for B. And one thing, the presentation of bar, it is in your choice. If you want to give in this way, the lines are in this way, then also correct. It is not necessary in which way you will present your bar, or you can by pencil you can set it the bar. So it is in your choice. There is no condition. Okay. So very easy. Next is 37. Okay. So without wasting time, I will do quickly. 37. So 37 where? Uh, 1, 2, 3. Like here, 30 after 7, 37. So I think it is here 37. So it is for the political party. And one thing, you should draw the birds by ruler or scale. Here not possible, so that I explain by roughly. But when you will draw the word graph in your graph paper, that time use scale only. Next is 29. So for party D, 29, 30. So like this one is here 29. Okay. Next E10 and F37. E10, 10 here, and next is 37. 37, 37. Similar with this one. So next one is here. Next one is here. So it is E, it is F. So what is the question? The first question is draw a bar graph to represent the following results. So it is the bar graph. So it is the answer of one number question. Two number question, which political party won the maximum number of seats? So maximum is this one. By seeing bar graph you can directly told. And what is the value? 75. So two number, the political party A won the maximum numbers of seats. So political party A will political party A won the maximum number of seats. Okay, very easy. So today's class up to this. So if you, I think everyone understood the bar graph, because bar graph you did in class 7, class 8, class 6. So I think there is no problem regarding bar graph.